Welcome back fellas to this new video text quest. In the previous tutorial I showed you how to generate your Outlook account. Now for this tutorial I'm going to be showing you if we can delete an Outlook account that we have currently created or so. So before we continue, you must understand that there's an actual process of waiting. So this process of waiting, it might be taking up to 60-day waiting period before your account is permanently deleted. So the first thing to do, which is going to be really crucial, is to back up important emails, files and context. So to export all of this information, we can use the desktop version of your Outlook to export your mailbox as a PST file, and you can import them later out of it. So what I'm going to be doing here is to click into file that it appears here into my account. I just go here for the tab, choose the element that says open and export or open and import. So I'm going to choose my actual layout. Let's click out this element, 3 dots, backup, or let's go for export mailbox, and it's appearing here into my privacy and data. Now we can choose the option that says export my mailbox, and my export will be now appearing in processed. Not that hard actually. Then what I need to do, of course, is to save my OneDrive files. We can download any important files from your OneDrive cloud storage to a local drive, and you can manage all your subscriptions. You can cancel or transfer any active subscriptions like the Microsoft 365 or the Xbox Live to avoid being charged after your account is gone. This process is actually not that different. So once you have finished with all of this process, I'm going to be closing my Microsoft account. So go to the close your account page into the Microsoft website. For that, I'm going to go and open a new tab. I'm going to go for close your account Microsoft. This will be sending me to how to close my account from the Microsoft account support center. Why we are in here? Because we wanted to aim for this specific button that says close account. When I choose the option that says close account, this will be giving me into another element where I can start with my actual element. So it says, what security info would you like to add? Let's say add an alternative email address. I choose a new one. I verify my security account. I go for continue, and we are now inside the close my account section. Once we are inside there, we wanted to read all of this. For example, we have already canceled any subscriptions, we have already canceled any current organization services, we have saved my records, set up automatic replies and all of that. So with this information, I'm going to hit into the option that says next. And then I wanted to enable all of these fields. For example, I know that I will lose access to all the personal organization. I will lose access to Skype, official, whatever. I will lose access to Hotmail. I will lose access to all of these elements. So just take your time to read all of that. And if you want, you can tell and select an actual reason. So if you wanted, let's say, to do this process really fast, just go for I no longer want any Microsoft account, and choose the option that says mark account for closure. So once again, this might be taking up to 60 days to delete. So once you have now done this process, this is giving me now the actual date when this account will be closed. For example, it says this account will be closed on, and this is the actual date. You can reopen this account, preventing disclosure by signing back within the 60 days. So that means that if you sign in once again with this specific account before this specific date, automatically it will be asking you if you wanted to recover that account. If not, well, you can just stop signing in. After the 60 days, you will be receiving an actual email that your account it will be scheduled for delete the next day. And that is actually it, guys. So with this being said, we have now reached the very end of the video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools or how we can get started with these elements of the Microsoft and so much more. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. See you next time.